this is the living room with all the stuff that's going to go in the bathroom. There's the bathtub and the tile, which is beside it. And there's a bunch of mess in the dining room and in John's room. And here's the bathroom. It's still gutted. Put some insulation in all these cracks and these little pieces of wood down there between the studs. I did that. The sinks go in there, medicine cabinet, and a first aid cabinet, and toilet. Bathtub goes back here. Gas stove is going back there, and this will be a closet. And we'll get something on this window besides what's on there now. So that's it.